Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shiba Inu coin. Now, Shiba Inu coin is on its way to 0.001. Shiba Inu currently is trading with about 5 zeros, but as of 2 years ago, Shiba Inu was trading with about 4 zeros. Now, the possibility of this coin returning to where it was 2 years ago is about 1,257%, and there is a possibility that most coins, including Bitcoin, including Ethereum, will all return to their all-time price before they started falling last year. Now, Shiba Inu, yes, they just launched different projects, and also one of the things I love about Shiba Inu is the high rate of burning. Okay, Shiba Inu have really increased the high rate of burning. They have been burning more coins now than before. So I definitely believe that yes, by this time next year, we should be seeing Shiba Inu trading with about 2 to 3 zeros within the next 1.5 years. Okay, yes, before the end of next year, 2024, Shiba Inu might be deleting about 2 or 3 zeros, because this coin right now, they have also come out to talk about their new project and upgrade. So these are the things Shiba Inu are looking up to. They are looking up to destroying a lot of coins. They're looking up to burning at least half of Shiba Inu coins. Though I know it's not going to be easy for a coin like Shiba Inu, but remember that they have that audience, they have that support, they have that community that can push. They have that support from different crypto exchanges and different companies supporting Shiba Inu. So, and not just that, they have also that support from whales. Whales love Shiba Inu so much that they have invested so much on Shiba Inu since last year. Whales have been pumping in money into Shiba Inu coins. Now, with so much support and with great increase in the burning of Shiba Inu coins, 0.01% is definitely possible for Shiba Inu. So I believe that this coin is getting somewhere. Let's keep on supporting Shiba Inu, because Shiba Inu is a coin that have that, but that there's a possibility that this coin can rise up to 10,000% within 1 year if Shiba Inu get that support they were getting when Shiba Inu was actually pumping. Yes, I believe this coin one day in the long run might even hit 0.001. There's a possibility for that. Let's keep supporting Shiba Inu, and I believe in the next future Shiba Inu will pump. And as Bitcoin is about to hit back at its all-time price, Shiba Inu also will be heading back to its all-time price very soon. So imagine investing on Shiba. Just like me, when I bought my Shiba Inu after the drop of Shiba Inu right now, if you're buying, let me say for example $10 worth of Shiba Inu, you'll be getting about 1.3 million coins of Shiba Inu. So by the time Shiba Inu returns to where it was, you'll be getting almost $130. That's about $120 profit. So if it's $100, it's about $1,200 profit as Shiba Inu is about to return to where it is. But remember, this is not a financial advice. So once again, thank you for stopping by.